Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Right? First of all, we write all the numbers, right? That is from 2 to 12. We are writing all the numbers. This is the solution of question number 8. We write natural numbers from 2 to 12, that is 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11 and 12. Right? We have written the natural numbers from 2 to 12, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have to choose the prime numbers. Here 2 is a prime number, right? 3 is also a prime number. 5 is also a prime number. 6, 7 is also a prime number. 8, 9, 10, 11 is also a prime number. Right? How many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 prime numbers. Right? How many natural numbers are there? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? 11 natural numbers. Out of 11 natural numbers, how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Right? What fraction of them are prime numbers? Therefore, 5 by 11. Out of 11 natural numbers, 5 are prime numbers. Right? Therefore, 5 by 11 of them are prime numbers. Are prime numbers. Prime numbers. Right? Let us repeat once again. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? And here, that is, we have written the natural numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, out of, and total numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 8 numbers, 8 natural numbers. Out of 8 natural numbers, 5 of them are prime. Therefore, it will be 5 by 11. Right? Therefore, 5 by 11 of them are prime numbers. This is the solution of question number 8.